Large commercial vehicles can be some of the most dangerous on our roadways. Federal regulations exist to make the rest of us safe when these vehicles are driving down the roads. Frequently, these commercial drivers and the companies that hire them drive too many hours and fail to get the rest that they're required to get by federal regulations. The National Highway Transportation Safety Association reports that when these large trucks collide with the smaller vehicles the rest of us are riding in, the result is fatal 98% of the time. At the Carlson Law Firm, we have experienced attorneys and investigators who know where to look to find the information to show that these companies and their drivers are failing to follow the federal guidelines. Call us at the Carlson Law Firm. We can help.